Hey guys, today we are going to make a paperclip for details you can add in your renders if you have any papers in your renders. So first, go into Edit, Preferences, and get Add Curve, Extra Objects. So now delete the default cube and add a curve, a spiral, and logarithmic. Now, add a tiny bit of height to the logarithmic curve, and then make 2 turns. Now, delete the first vertice and get to the middle of the first turn and bring these vertices out. Now, go to the middle of the second turn and bring these vertices out and scale them in and bring them back up. Now you can delete the rest of the vertices after that after this vertice. Now bring this vertice in on the X and bring this vertice out on the X. Or you could put it back and bring these vertices out or on the X a little bit. And there's your paperclip. But you might notice there's no thickness to the paperclip. You could get a circle curve and scale that in, and then make that the bevel object of the spiral, and fill in the caps, and then scale this to your liking. Now you can just add a paper in, and you have a nice paper. If you don't want it to like cut into the paperclip, you could always bring everything on the top up and everything on the bottom down. And there's your paperclip. Hope you enjoyed, and maybe subscribe if you want more content like this. See you guys next time.